Oh man, this fidget spinner's so awesome. I finally got it. I've been waiting a while, gosh, oh yeah. Well, gonna go show Norman.
Oh, I just shit.
Norman, guess what?
What?
I have a fidget spinner.
What? I thought this came out like a month ago.
Who cares?
Let me go get mine.
Okay.
Whoa, Norman, wait. Oh my gosh. That is one nice fidget spinner, dude.
Thanks.
One nice fidget spinner. Dude, I have an idea.
What?
We can balance these things
Okay.
on, like, anything. I mean, let's just go, come on. Come on, let's see what we can hit on. Wait, what? Ice King, what
What are you doing here?
Ice King, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Guys! Wait, you have some fidget spinners? Like
Yeah.
those?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, you wanna see whose goes the longest?
Yeah.
Deal, man! I know you're my boss, but I hate you!
Let's go get ready.
Alright, you boy, I'm ready! Yeah, I guess I'm ready too. What do you mean, Norman?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's get it started. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, this is interesting, isn't it, Norman?
Yeah.
Haha, right, gonna win! Oh yeah! Whoa, Norman, yours looks like he's gonna win, dude!
Win.
Ah! No! Don't die! Don't die!
I want.
Ah!
Yours won.
What?
Shit.
Uh,
dude.
Dude, I'm your friend!
Too bad.
I won! I can't believe you! Oh, suck it, Ice King! Just suck it! Oh. Hey, Norman.
No, I'm not your friend anymore.
What do you want to go do?
I'm not your friend, so goodbye.